educated.
How many of you have attended college fairs? They're important. Continue to attend college fairs until you graduate. When you go to the table of those particular colleges or universities, do you know the person you're talking to? 9 times out of 10 is the territorial rep for making the decision on a yes or no on your application.
Hi, my name is Lori Bridges and I'm a rising senior at Towson High School. During today, I was a part of Miss Robinson's college admissions workshop. And I'm from the STEMcx program. I think it's a very beneficial and eye-opening workshop where you get to interact with Miss Robinson herself, and she's very kind and very eye-opening, giving you first-hand on experience and step-by-step instructions on how to get into the college process and the things that you need to consider when going forward.
Here's what you also can do. If it's a college or a university, right, and they are posting, who else is posting under their feed? The students. So why would you not connect with a student? Follow them on social media. Most students are forgetting how important that is. Here's why. When you're following the school, you should be commenting, you should be looking to see what they're posting about, what type of activities the college offer, what's the culture, what's in the news of the schools, right? Because you're about to spend 4 years of your life at that institution. You want to make sure it's going to be a right fit for you. I'm destined
I'm destined
for greatness.